Presenting Samsung Galaxy M01. This smartphone is available in black, blue and red color variants. The Samsung Galaxy M01 has 3GB RAM with 32GB of internal memory, which is expandable up to 512GB. The smartphone supports dual nano SIM with 4G network on dual standby. The 5.7-inch Infinity V-Cut display with HD Plus capacitive multi-touch screen, 720 by 1520 pixels resolution, 294 ppi and 16M color support gives you an immersive viewing experience. This Samsung smartphone also features GPS, music player, video player, accelerometer, fingerprint sensor, gyro sensor, geomagnetic sensor, proximity sensor and email. This smartphone features a 13-megapixel main camera along with the 2-megapixel depth camera in the back. It also features a 5-megapixel front camera. The Samsung smartphone is powered by Android version 10.0 operating system with 2 GHz and 1.45 GHz Qualcomm with SDM439 octa-core processor. The smartphone runs on a 4000 mAh lithium-ion battery. The box includes handset with non-removable battery, travel adapter, USB cable and user manual. The smartphone comes with standard brand warranty. For EMI options, refer to product detail page. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. 7-day return or replacement policy for damaged or defective product. For further information, visit the product detail page.